see me?
Can I please be your daughter?
What can you do in the
Can I
video?
please be your daughter?
Grandma,
What can you do in the video?
will you please scratch my nose? Look, wait a minute. Here, scratch
Will
my
you
nose.
trim my eyebrows?
Hey, my eyebrows are act kind of funny. You're breaking my glasses. Wait a minute. Look,
Don't ever say that in public.
look.
What are you doing?
Look. Easy, where's my nose fell off? Yeah. See what you got now?
You have way too much fun with that.
Time to check myself.
Let me see what it says there.
Time to check my.
Wait, let me see.
You guys, I'm gonna poop myself.
Where's I at?